In today's video, I'm going to teach you customized button links on Wix. To get started, open your Wix site in the editor so you're on the page where you want to make changes. Once you're in edit mode, go to the section of the page that contains the button you want to work with. This can be any button on your site, whether it's meant to send visitors to another page, open a document, or trigger a contact action. Click directly on the button you'd like to customize. When the button is selected, a row of options will appear near it. In that menu, look for the link option and click on it. This is where Wix lets you control exactly what happens when someone presses that button on your live website. After clicking link, you'll see a list of different link types you can connect to the button. Wix gives you several choices here, including linking to a page, a section, a web address, a document, an email, a phone number, a pop-up, WhatsApp, or a physical address. The option you choose depends on what you want the button to do for your visitors. For example, if you choose Page, you simply select the page you want the button to open, and that's usually all you need to do. This is useful for navigation, like sending visitors to a contact page, services page, or booking page. If you choose Section, the button can jump to a specific part of the current page or another page, which is great for one-page designs or long layouts. If you select Web Address, you can paste in an external URL to send people to another website. If you choose Document, the button can open or download a file. For email, the button can open the visitor's email app with a message addressed to the contact you set. With Phone Number, you can enter a number so that mobile users can tap the button and start a call automatically. You'll also find options for Pop-up, WhatsApp, and Address, each with their own settings. Pop-up can be useful if you want to display extra information without sending someone away from the page. WhatsApp is helpful for direct messaging, and Address can guide visitors to a physical location. As you go through these options, just remember that each one has its own setup fields, so take a moment to enter the correct details before saving. Once you've chosen the link type and added the information you need, your button will be customized and ready to work the way you want on your Wix site.